this is a very interesting time in drug discovery for small cell lung cancer. We identified that small cell lung cancer has a very unique feature that it is immune suppressed, and we and others, we showed that it is immune suppressed by repression of MHC class 1, which essentially means that in spite of having high mutational burden, the immune system doesn't essentially really see the cancer cells. So there is a repression of MHC class 1. So we also published that epigenetic modifiers could then de-repress this, and combining epigenetic modifiers like inhibitors to LSD1 could then be combined with immunotherapy to make immunotherapy better, which led to supported clinical trials in the field. In the study that we presented at ASCO, we saw that other inhibitors, which are master regulators of the DNA damage response pathway, could also be combined to augment the response of immunotherapy by upregulating MHC class 1. But data being presented at ASCO is really interesting because there are several approaches that are being presented here. One of which is T-cell engager. So T-cell engager really, the bispecific T-cell engager like tarlatamab, what it does, it brings the tumor cell closer to the immune cell. So it has a DLL3 arm and it has a CD3 arm. So it is bringing the tumor cell closer to the immune cell. And this data is being presented at ASCO this year. And that can bypass this immune suppression or MHC suppression mechanism in small cell lung cancer. And it is making the tumor cell and the immune cell closer. And we have seen other data being presented with the same drug, which is positive for small cell lung cancer. So this is the data that we are really looking forward to seeing, and it will be presented. So that's one, I think it's a very exciting data to be presented in this meeting. Another study to look forward to is the IMforte trial, which is investigating the combination of PD-L1 atezolizumab, which is a PD-L1 inhibitor, along with lurbinectedin, which is a DNA minor groove inhibitor. This is a maintenance study. And this is an interesting study because in this regimen for small cell lung cancer, we do want to improve the regimen in the maintenance setting. So these two studies, I think, is really interesting that are being presented at ASCO this year, which tells us that these are ways of improving immunotherapy in small cell lung cancer. So I think this is a very interesting time for small cell lung cancer, and we have to just wait and see the data.